Natural gas daily forecast, November 20th, fxempire.com. Nat gas markets had a slightly negative session on Monday, which in and of itself wasn't necessarily concerning. But having said that, you can see that the um, same level keeps giving the market trouble over and over again, the 380 level. So then you have to ask whether or not this is turning into a double top or it's just significant resistance that will eventually get broken above. One clue, and this is certainly not a call, but one clue is the fact that the moving averages on the MACD are starting to weaken as we continue to go sideways. So a lot of times you'll have rising prices like we do in the bigger term here, and then we'll have declining momentum in the MACD or RSI. There's a couple other indicators you can do this with. And you can see we're going up on one and down on the other. A divergence normally means something is wrong, and if that's the case, we should fall. We see 340 as a significant support zone, and as such, really, we don't get too excited about selling this market until we get to that point. So it is a big area to cover because we expect supportive action in this vicinity, and it may just simply be a signal that we're about to pull back, but typically these tend to precede bigger picture type trades. We wouldn't be overly surprised if the trend ran back to the downside because, after all, the larger picture is to the downside. But until we get that breakdown through this gap, it's really hard to get overly confident in it. Now, alternately, if we manage to close well above the 380 level, maybe about 385 or so, we think this market goes higher. And of course, would be buying at that point. Very interesting market right now. Divergence in play, so that always can lead to bigger trades. Definitely one to keep an eye on.